Let's begin our learning journey and hop on to the topic.
This is a simple introductory video on Perplexity, covering some basics, which will be helpful to get started with. I have the Perplexity Pro version, which is used in this video. This is the home page, which has the search bar or query input field. We will come back to it for more details. Meanwhile, let's look at some of the options available on the left-hand side. The Perplexity icon and the new thread button opens the same page we are already on. The home button opens up multiple other options, including the library bucket, where all our previous chat history is stored. The discover button opens multiple options, which displays the latest news around the world, grouped by category. The spaces button is from where we can create a new space so as to organize our chats and documents. Moving further down, we have this install option to download and use the app version of Perplexity. Currently, we are using the web version. The upgrade option allows to buy various paid versions of Perplexity. The account options allows us to customize certain settings, like preferences. Here can make changes to appearance, language and some other options. Below under Artificial Intelligence, you have the model option which can be customized from the search bar we saw earlier, which we will explore when we come back to the search bar on home page. The image generation model option. This is a very good option, as it gives a lot more flexibility and allows us to choose from the various models, including the latest one from Google, which is the Nano Banana. Also options like Seedream, GPT and DALL-E from OpenAI and others are available. Moving on to personalization, whether not mandatory, I have input some information about myself and my location as India. The memory option allows Perplexity to reference our search history and earlier chats, which helps it better tailor its responses. There's also a watchlist options which can be customized. This email assistant option allows to connect to your Gmail or Outlook calendar and manage your schedule, meetings, etc. This tasks option allows to automate your tasks. Example, you can get a notification on mobile or email regarding the latest movie releases as per the set schedule. This notification options allows to receive updates each time deep research option get completed. This connectors option allows to connect with Gmail, Outlook, Google Drive and even WhatsApp. Under the Discover section, you can see a lot of topics like For You, Top, Tech and Science, Finance, Entertainment. And currently there's also a More option, where you can see Arts, Sports, etc. There is a personalized Discover setting, which allows to customize your preference, where now I have saved my interest by adding Arts and Sports. And now they all can be seen under Topics, while now there is nothing under More option. Discover gives us access to a wide range of news from around the world based on the interest we had selected. Under the default For You option, we can also filter from Topics here and choose Entertainment, which will only show news related to entertainment. Similarly, you can filter as per your preference. Now let's go to the top segment here, which shows the trending and most popular news across topics. Let's open one such top news, like this one here, which says, Mohanlal receives Dada Saheb Phalke Award at National Film Awards. It opens the news article page with intro. And here is the sources section. The sources section is crucial, and it is one of the most important feature of Perplexity. It gives you a link to the actual source, from where the information is compiled, thus helping the user with the authenticity of the information. You can click on the bunch of sources to see the source list, which can be further clicked to reach the source article page. Here is the list of headings in this article, which can be clicked to read specific details. You have options to bookmark this page, or even add it to a space to organize as a collection. Scroll right below to see this Ask Follow-up option. Based on the detail I want to understand, I can type something like, list down the contributions by the felicitated actor Mohanlal. and it gives me complete details, including iconic roles played by him, record-setting film appearances, global recognition, awards and honors, and notable achievements like Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Below it also provides other related topics, if one might want to explore further on the topic. To the top right side it gives options like adding to space collection, convert to page option, export options in PDF and document formats, etc. Till now, we only looked at what is readily available under Perplexity. Now let's begin initiating some queries so that it can respond. I will explain it by associating with the Spaces feature so that we can understand both. Under Spaces, we get the option to create a new space to better organize search results and documents. It provides various templates like technology, education, etc. For students, it has templates like study guide generator, tutor me, etc. We will look at an example with this Trip Planner Pro template. We will ask to plan a trip from Mumbai to Bangkok for 5 days and 4 nights with flight, hotel, and other price details. Perplexity has started to consolidate information from various sources, and now it has given me information under headings like flights, hotels, attractions, along with price details. It is also giving me a day-wise itinerary. Other than that, it has given me further option to explore related topics, like suggest 3 to 5-star hotel in Bangkok. Since I would like to understand this in more detail, I will click. And it is giving me some 3-star, 4-star and 5-star hotel names with approximate price ranges. We have options to share, export, and even rewrite the whole information. On the top right side, we have these additional options. We can see that it is already under the Trip Planner Pro space, and there are options to swap space or even remove from this space. We can even convert this to a page, which adds some professional touch to this article and makes it look like a proper web page document ready to be published. You can also edit this web page like make changes to the layout, headings, add more sections, organize section order as required, change contents, add images, etc. Once satisfied, you can publish it. Let's generate some images to see the power of Perplexity in image generation. As we saw earlier in account preferences setting, we have an option to choose an image generation model. Models like Google Nano Banana, OpenAI, GPT Image 1 and Dolly 3, etc. are available to choose from as per your preference. Now let's get back to our Perplexity search bar and type in our image request, which is cartoon style image of a small cute girl with short hair and lavender frock, flying in space with question marks all around. The image generation is in progress. And there we got our result. I'm not fully satisfied with what I got and want to make some changes, so I typed in, okay, I want it a little more cuter. Maybe a 3D image with pastel colors and pink dress may help. Notice that we are using simple prompts, like we are chatting with someone, and it is able to get us the changes as required. So again it gave me another image, where I did like the colors and background. I went it again with another change prompt. Change her hair to brown straight hair. I got what I wanted. Now I am satisfied with this image, and would like to keep it. We can also download this image.